Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jaded and thank you for supporting and for clicking on this video. I am very happy to see you here today. I am a new content creator and I'm just starting my YouTube journey. I know I still have a lot to learn, but I will do my best to make a good and fun videos for all of you. I hope you can support my YouTube channel and grow with me. Okay, so in this channel, I will share different kinds of contents that I enjoy. I hope my videos can entertain you, help you, and um, or make you a little better. I am excited to share my ideas and experiences with you. If you enjoyed this video, please do not forget to like and comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Support means a lot to me and helps me to continue making more videos. Turn on the notification bell so you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. And also thank you so much for being here and for giving a chance. I really appreciate every view, like, comment, and subscriptions. I hope you always stay with me on this journey. Now, let's start. Let's start today's video. I hope you enjoy watching, have fun, and thank you again for your support. And that's all for today. Thank you.